Tranquility envelops this tucked-away Alabama Hill home on cul-de-sac, yet only minutes to Barkley shopping and professional services. Over 1/3 acres of mature landscaping surround this updated home. With the position of the home and many windows, enjoy the light pouring in while bird watching. High-end Pergo floors are through the main level. Kitchen boasts lovely maple cabinets, stainless steel appliances, Corian countertops and space, and flows into the dining and living rooms. A raised multi-level deck meets the dining room for outdoor entertaining. Downstairs family room, west/3/4 bath and large laundry room. Loads of storage throughout. Complete west/deep 2-car garage. Great yard space. Steps to Whatcom Fall Trail and Lake. All electric home ready for solar,